Hey guys, this is a video based on Centipedes by Eden using Levi's stuffed animals. Sorry. Hey guys, guess what? What? Yeah, what, Cap? People don't know about centipedes. What? If people don't know about centipedes, what will they do with a big mutated centipede on the loose? I think it's a centipede from another planet. Guys, the point is, we need to tell people about centipedes. Let's make a vlog. Hulk does not know what vlog is. We'll talk about it later. But what should we put in the vlog? Okay guys, so for our vlog, how about we put in what are centipedes? Are they insects? Sorry, Cap. But they're orthopods, not insects. Just like spiders. When did Marvel get on topic of spiders? They are orthopods like spiders. But insects have 6 legs. Orthopods have more. Wait, but what are the habitats of centipedes? Hulk knows habitat. Tell us, Hulk. Well, the habitats are under leaves, under rotten logs, under stones, and under boards. Cool, but what about, are they recyclers like ants? And termites? Yeah. They reduce decaying matter like logs. Wait, guys, what about diseases? Do they carry around diseases? Hulk knows they don't carry around any diseases. Hey, guys, but they do carry around their jaws, which contain venom. Wow, so I wouldn't want to get eaten by, I wouldn't want to get bit by one, would I? No. Hey, but, like, what are they? They're orthopods. I know, but, like, what do they look like? They're worm-like orthopod with flattened bodies. And also, the head bears antenna. Yeah, but, like, how many legs? 10 to 100 legs. And they have 1 pair of legs on each segment. That means if they had 10 legs, they'd have 5 segments. If they had 100, they'd have 50. What about the centipedes in Oklahoma? How long are they? Well, first, everywhere else, they're 12 inches or longer. But in Oklahoma, they are 2 to 6 inches. Wow. Hulk knows what color they are. What color are they? They are yellowish brown, dark brown, to dazzling reddish green. Hey guys, I just looked this up. Centipedes can live to 5 to 6 years. Wow. Guys, but what do they eat? They prefer small insects, but they will eat small orthopods like themselves. But will they eat themselves? I don't think so. What do they do after they catch their food if their food's still alive and everything? Every time, once they catch their food, they will insert their venom from their jaw into the bug so it'll kill it. Into the small insect or small orthopod. Okay guys, hope you liked the video. Bye!